Governor Eziokwu were nwaanyị wee na-brag unu na-brag too much. Ọkwa na ọdịnarị nwaanyị ka unu mere arrest nwaanyị na-ehukpe na anyụ mamịrị ka gụ na Jpac arrestịrị na-brag ife niile unu na-brag. Somebody watch ya onye watch ya this video imere ebe onwe ike iche na nun arrestịrị governor of a state mana ọdịnarị nwaanyị ka unu mere arrest na-brag were nwaanyị wee na-brag ife unu na-eme m were nwaanyị wee na-brag unu na-brag too much.
Olileanya na me Governor Eziokwu you pay if you dare. Focus, drive. Take am easy. Olileanya is here. Life and direct, Nigeria. Nigerian police. Only the too much. DSS, una dey too much. Let's go. Would they go? Aga. Onye bugo many people na southeast. You pay dearly. Dawa. Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America. Let's go. Confirm, captured alive. They go, they no fit try am. They no burn that person for here. They no burn am for here. Olileanya ndị Igbo. Go like this. Jere nwayọ. Head in the front. What boat I got about fuel? Okay, top fuel. Otaka Chineke di. If you don't do anything, people they ginger you to commit atrocities. You pay for it. I use my life and challenge. You pay for it. Ogechi captured alive. Captured.
Please subscribe on this new channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thought on the comment section. Tell me what you think. This is my new channel. Please stay connected on this channel. More videos will be dropping on this channel. Please stay connected and you won't regret. Thank you for watching. God bless you.